Hello everyone, I am Rajesh Bhaktavachalam from MyDigitalBrand. Are you a YouTube beginner and wondering how to upload a video on YouTube? Look no further. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through step-by-step process of uploading your video to YouTube. Firstly, log into your YouTube account and click on the YouTube Studio option located in the right corner menu. This will take you to the dashboard. Next, click on Create button and select the Upload Video option. Select the video which you wish to upload. While the video is processing, you can provide a perfect title and detailed description. Don't forget to select an eye-catching thumbnail for your video. When it comes to audience details, ensure that you select not for kids and also choose not to restrict your video to viewers over 18 years old. Use relevant hashtags in the tag section to increase the discoverability of your video. Additionally, provide your recording date and location to give your videos more context. Customize the options for comments and ratings according to your preference. Click Next and move forward. The video element screen doesn't require any significant changes from our end. You can proceed by clicking Next. YouTube will perform copyright checks. The next step is to set the visibility settings, where you can choose the public option if you want your video to be viewed by everyone. Finally, click on Publish button to make your video live. Once you click Publish, YouTube will process the video in both SD and HD modes. And once processing is complete, you can find your video in the Content tab below the dashboard. Now your video is successfully uploaded and available on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the content shared.